All right, let's talk about the question that confuses almost every Canadian looking at life insurance. What's the difference between term life and whole life? And why is one so much more expensive than the other? We're going to make this super simple because the insurance industry loves to overcomplicate things. Term life insurance is like renting an apartment. You get coverage for a specific period, usually 10 or 20 years. These are typically the years when you need protection the most, when you've got a mortgage, young kids, car payments, all that fun stuff. Because it's temporary coverage, it's incredibly affordable. Whole life insurance is like buying a house. It's permanent. It lasts your entire life, and it comes with an investment component that builds cash value over time. Because it never expires and includes that investment piece, it costs more. Let's show you real numbers because that's where this gets interesting. Take a healthy 35-year-old guy here in Canada. For $500,000 of coverage, Term 20 policy costs $30 a month. Whole life policy costs $1,548.94 a month. That's not a small difference. That's a holy crap, that's a car payment difference. So which one should you get? Here's our honest answer. For 95% of young Canadian families, term life is the right move. Here's why. That extra $680 a month you'd be spending on whole life, you could invest that yourself in a TFSA or RRSP. You could put it toward your mortgage. Whole life insurance is what people invest in when TFSAs and RRSPs are maximized, and it works well, but make sure you do the right things first. Term life gives you maximum protection when you need it most, at a price that doesn't destroy your budget. It lets you be smart with your money during the years when every dollar counts. Now, does whole life have a place? Sure. For some people thinking about estate planning in their 50s and closer to retirement, or dealing with complex tax situations, it makes sense. But if you're a young family just trying to make sure everyone's protected if your paycheck disappears, term life is your answer. Whole life insurance has a place, but it should be implemented at the right time, typically for estate planning, not income replacement. Bottom line, don't let anyone make you feel like term life is the cheap option and you should upgrade. Term life is the smart option for most middle-aged Canadians. Get the coverage you need now, at a price that makes sense, and maximize RRSPs and TFSAs before considering permanent insurance for long-term estate planning.